Hi everybody, it's Miss Nancy. Welcome to this week's Make It Monday. It is such a nice day out here today that I decided to bring my art outside. And that's what this week's Make It Monday is all about. We're going to be creating art out of things that you probably have sitting in your house. So for this week, we need markers. We need these kind of markers. You can't use Sharpies because they won't blend very well. We need coffee filters. We need a spray bottle, some scissors, and I have a paper plate and a paper towel, and you'll see what we're going to do with that. So what you want to do is take one of these coffee filters, just like this, and you want to fold it in half, and then you want to fold it in half again, so that it looks just like this. Okay. So once you have this all nicely folded, you're going to want to make some kind of design. You're going to want to color it. Now, if you don't want to do it that way, you can also take a coffee filter and just color all over it, and then I'll show you what you can do with it there. But for right now, we're going to use it this way. So we're going to take your colors. I'm going to use red and yellow, and if I can find it, I'm going to use blue. So I'm going to start with the blue, just like this, and I'm going to color the tip in blue. Any color you want to use. I'm just going to make a design for mine. So we're going to take blue. And it should look like this. And then I'm going to take red, because what's fun about this, when we add water, it's going to blend the colors together. So who out there knows what happens when you mix red and blue together? Ben? Ben's the one who is recording this for me. Ben, do you know what you get when you get red and blue?
Purple.
Purple, very good. See, I did red and blue. And if I add yellow to red, what color is that going to make?
Orange.
Orange, very good. And if I added blue and yellow, what would that make?
Green.
Green. And I'm just going to finish it up right here. Just like this. So for this, we're going to get some color mixing in. But this is a lot of fun because this really does show that you can find art and make art out of anything, even stuff that you have sitting at your house. So mine's going to look like this when it's finished. And you're going to take, this is where the spray bottle comes in. And what you're going to do is just spray it, get it nice and wet. See, the colors are starting to move together. All right. And I turned it over and I'm going to spray the back so it gets all. And now what we're going to do is, you do need to let it dry for a few minutes, but it's so nice and sunny. I'm just going to put it over here and we're going to get that all nice and dry. I did one of these earlier and let it dry in the sun, and this is what it looks like. This one I just used reds and yellows. And this is what it looked like. So you can either use these as just decorations, you can hang them on your fridge, hang them on your windows, or you can do something fun with them. I made flowers. I made some really pretty flowers out of ones that I did earlier. So how do you do that? We had these nice folds from where we folded it before. Oop! And it's all windy. And you just make a cut right to the middle. See it like that? It's cut just like this. And you're going to start rolling it. And you could get fancy and make some fun edges if you would like to do that. I'm just rolling them just to show you what you can do, but you can definitely get real creative with this. What I'm going to do when I'm done you're going to have a really pretty flower. Now I had an empty yogurt container, just like this, and I did one of these earlier. What you can do is take one of these, on any kind of empty container will do. Maybe you can use it to decorate it. So you can either glue it on or take some ribbon and tie it on, and now you've made a really pretty vase and you've made some really beautiful flowers. Just like that. So I hope you had fun following along. I really hope you get a chance to do this at home, and if you do, take some pictures and put them up on our Instagram page. Next Monday is Memorial Day, so I won't be here for Make It Monday, but I will be back in 2 weeks. I hope everybody has a great week. Definitely try and tune in, see some of our story times, our science labs, and again, we look forward to hearing from you. Have a great week, everybody. We'll see you soon.